absolutely ready to 6.0, which is the pleasing. A set of activities is now visible on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Reaching out the hotel is great as guests love to enjoy the surroundings.